Welcome to Year for Math. Today, I'm going to show you how to divide using long division. Let's start with an example. Example 1, 96 divided by 4. First, set it up using long division. Write the 4 divisor outside the division symbol, the house, and the 96 dividend inside. Ask yourself, can 4 go into 9? Yes, it can. How many times? 4 goes into 9, 2 times. 2 times 4 equals 8. Write the 2 above the 9. Subtract. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down the next number, the 6, to make 16. Ask, how many times does 4 go into 16? 4 times. Therefore, 4 times 4 equals 16. Write the 4 above the 6. Subtract. 16 minus 16 equals 0. There's nothing left to bring down, so the answer is 24. Example 2, 144 divided by 6. Can 6 go into 1? No. Look at the first 2 digits. Can 6 go into 14? Yes, 2 times. 2 times 6 equals 12. Write 2 above the 4. Subtract. 14 minus 12 equals 2. Bring down the 4, making 24. How many times does 6 go into 24? 4 times. 4 6 equals 24. Write the 4 above the last digit. Subtract. 24 minus 24 equals 0. The answer is 24. Example 5, 825 divided by 25. Write 25 outside the division house and 825 inside. Ask, can 25 go into 8? No, it can't. Then move to the first 2 digits. Can 25 go into 82? Yes, 3 times. 325 equals 75. Write 3 above the 2 in 825. Subtract. 82 minus 75 equals 7. Bring down the next digit, 5, making it 75. Ask, how many times does 25 go into 75? 3 times. 325 equals 75. Write 3 above the last digit of 825. Subtract. 75 minus 75 equals 0. The answer is 33. By practicing these steps, you'll become confident in long division. Give it a try with different numbers.